Hi kids. So today you're going to be doing a plotting rational numbers activity, and I'm going to explain to you how to do this. So there's a number line up here at the top, and it has all these letters in it. And then over here you have these squares that are different colors. Depending on your answer, you're going to drag the square to which one you think it is. So if it says yellow, you drag a yellow square to it. If it says dark orange, you do a dark orange. If it says blue, you put the blue, so forth and so on. So let's do number one together. Negative 21 fifteenths. Well, 15 goes into 21 one time, right, with 6 left over. So it'd be like 1 and 6 fifteenths, but it's negative 1. So I know that it's going to be to the left of negative 1. It's not really close to 2, so it's probably F. So if it's F, I'm going to click the light orange, and I'm going to place that light orange box there. You're going to do that same thing for each one of these numbers. Remember when you have 133.3%, that's like 13.33%, just an idea. Remember. So now the next box, the next slide I should say. Every box needs that every box with the number 1 in it is going to be light orange because number 1 you answered light orange. So you're going to go to the 1 boxes, any box with a 1, and you're going to go up here to the little bucket, and you're going to fill it with the light orange color. So anything with 1, you're going to click on it, fill it with light orange, and when you're done, you should have a really cool picture at the very end. If you make a mistake, all you have to do is do the undo, and it gets rid of it. Same thing on this page. You should be able to do this. I think you can. Oh, sorry. This one should be 1.333 because you go to the hundredths place. So it's over 100. My bad. So that would be 1.33. So let's do this one together. 1.33. Well, that's probably going to be I, which is light orange. So I'm just going to drag that light orange there. And I'm going to leave that light orange one there for you guys so you have those two answers on all of your things. Good job, guys. I think you can do this. Have fun with it.